Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm currently in my New York hotel. I've come to New York for a week before I go off to Boston, and this hotel is somewhere near Times Square. I think Times Square is just over there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm coming to you from New York, and I wanted to bring up a cool topic, and this was 3 ways that you can make money if you are still in high school. And I thought this was a cool way. This isn't very difficult. It doesn't. None of them really need you to invest anything, or nothing substantial anyway. And they're just 3 great ways. So before I tell you those 3 different ways to make money in high school, leave a comment down. No, don't leave a comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, and so that you know when I bring out new videos, and you can keep watching. Mostly they're about Amazon. But let's get right into this. So 3 ways you can make money in high school. Way number 1. This is the only one that involves you having to actually put some money in, but it's such little money, and that is selling in school. So when I say selling in school, I don't mean selling, I don't know, watches and wallets. I mean selling food, like Maltesers, Twix, depending on what country you're in, I don't know, Hershey's, selling chocolate bars and that sort of drinks and fizzy drinks, that sort of stuff in school. Now, a lot of schools don't allow you to do this, but you could probably still do it. I mean, look, I'm not telling you to do it if you're going to get in trouble. Don't want you to get in trouble, but I'm just saying it's an idea. I remember I made thousands and thousands of pounds in high school selling, literally thousands of pounds. It was crazy. I would buy something in the week. I'd have multiple lockers throughout the school filled with all this chocolate, and just sell it throughout the day. Literally sell it like crazy. So selling in high school, that's one way of doing it. You could also sell actual things like wallets and watches and phones if you really wanted to, but that's a bit more expensive and that's a bit more complicated. Selling chocolate and food and drinks is just so much easier. And number 2 is washing cars. Washing cars is so easy to do when you're in high school. You can charge whatever you want. You can charge different amounts for small cars, for big cars, and it's super easy. Or you can just walk around your neighborhood and knock on people's doors, leave flyers through their doors. Really, it's so easy for you to get jobs this way, and you can undercut everyone. You can be the cheapest. It's going to be a lot of work, and it's going to be a little money, but it adds up. And when you've done enough jobs, you've built enough money, then you can then go and use that money to go and start a business, or buy and sell on eBay or Amazon, or pretty much do anything, travel, whatever you want to do. But it's a great way to make money if you're still in high school. And the 3rd way to make money in high school is to babysit. This is probably one of the easiest things, because instead of you watching movies at home, you can just go and watch movies in someone else's home and get paid for it. And it's so easy to do this as well. It's easy to get your name out there. Just don't charge a crazy amount of money. Put some leaflets through people's doors. Make a few phone calls. Spread the word. And I guarantee you're going to be getting babysitting jobs from the age of 14, 15. And you can easily make hundreds, if not thousands of pounds babysitting. It's just, again, it's so easy. You just take your laptop and you go and do your work there, or you go and watch your film there. It's a no-brainer how easy it is. And anyone who says, oh, there's no way of me making money, I'm too young, I'm in high school, I can't make money, I've just given you 3 ways, and 3 easy ways. Selling, babysitting, or washing cars. 3 super easy ways. There's no age limit on any of these things, and there's just no reason why you can't do it. So if you really want to make money in high school, to start any sort of business or to do anything, those are the 3 ways that you can do it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Let me know if you have any other ways that you can think of that I can make a video about. And give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in tomorrow's video. So thank you so much for watching.